Well, it's Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to trim a video on your Android phone. So let's just open up our gallery. So we can do this a few different ways. So I can see photos is open right here. I'm just going to go to photos. And then choose your video. So let's choose this video.
Alright, here's the juicer that you got
so
me.
I don't play it. Then we can go to edit. And you can see this little timeline down here. Just drag this to the location you want. So you can edit the video and crop it really easy or trim it really easy. So you can see I have starting right here and ending right here. Now for some reason the save is a little bit grayed out, but I can just go to save and it's going to save this video between here.
This came with
now I can pause this and I can go back up. You can see I have one that is it looks like 11 seconds long, and then this is the original video. This one is 39 seconds long. So it's very easy to trim it.
I'm not sure what this is.
All you have to do is go to edit and adjust this timeline. Now do look at these different options down here, like all these different options to crop it, trim it, adjust the screen and stuff. So I can just go to maybe like enhance and check this out. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more techno videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.